Sky-high innovations recognize that employee and customer relations could be further developed. Our task is to analyze the text and see which of the 5 answer options is correct. Together, we are going line by line, looking for indicators to eliminate options. So the first line is, Sky-high Innovations has recently been losing its senior developers and major clients to competitor tech companies. This provides background information on the challenges of the company, but it doesn't mention employee or customer relations. After several attempts to expand its product lines fell flat 2 years ago, the company began focusing on building stronger relationships with both employees and customers. This is critical. It states that Sky-high began focusing on strong relationships with employees and customers, suggesting the company recognized an area for improvement. Executives concluded that these relationships are the hardest aspect for rivals to replicate because they demand time, energy, and trust. Here we see direct evidence that executives have consciously evaluated the importance of these relationships, supporting the idea they recognize potential for further development. In contrast, software features can be swiftly copied and offered by competing businesses. This sentence contrasts relationships with easily copied software features, reinforcing the executive's reasoning but doesn't directly confirm or deny the inference. And the final sentence, now Sky-high Innovations is actively investing in employee engagement and customer collaboration, and has recently begun to reap the benefits of these efforts, with multiple informal indications of enhanced loyalty. The phrase actively investing means ongoing development of these relationships. Enhanced loyalty confirms their efforts are beneficial. These 2 phrases allow us to eliminate false, probably false, and insufficient data, as the text explicitly aligns with our proposed inference. Now we are left with true and probably true. The difference is the proposed inference true beyond reasonable doubt. And I would say it is. Given the executive's explicit decision to actively invest in employee and customer collaboration, and that they are already reaping the benefits, I believe it's beyond reasonable doubt to say they recognize that employee and customer relationships could be further developed, meaning our final answer is true. A common mistake is choosing probably true, due to hesitation about absolute certainty. However, in